absolute, and
recesión
certainly
porque
when
tiene
there
que
is the
respirar siempre por la
constant
nariz el
itchy, watery,
paciente, y
teary
cuando
eyes, that's a tip-off
hay
that indeed
ojos
this
que
may be
lloran constantemente y que
rhinoconjunctivitis.
tienen lágrimas
Vernal
constantemente pueden dar,
keratoconjunctivitis is almost
indicar una
exclusively a disease of
rinoconjuntivitis.
pediatrics.
Esta, la
It is male
rinoconjuntivitis o la
predominant. It's most
keratoconjuntivitis
common in climates like I
se
have in
presenta
Florida
principalmente en
and
los
you
niños
have
y
in
es común,
Mexico,
como yo lo
very
tengo en Florida y
tropical,
ustedes
very
en México,
warm. The treatment that works the
lugares
best are mast
tropicales
cell
calientes.
stabilizers. The topical antihistamines are
El
really
tratamiento es
not
con
very
estabilizadores de,
effective, at least more
de los
than for a few
mastocitos.
hours.
Esto es lo que se
In very
aprueba.
severe
En casos
cases, you may
severos
find the need
se
at least
puede,
short-term for
tal
topical
vez tengamos que utilizar
corticosteroids, and
corticosteroides
even
tópicos
topical
y hasta
cyclosporins such as Restasis has been
ciclosporinas
studied and has been shown
tópicas
to
que
be
ya se
very
estudiaron y han
effective.
demostrado
Interestingly,
eficacia.
oral
Algo
aspirin has
interesante es
been
que la
used for
aspirina
treatment
oral
of
se ha
this
utilizado
disorder.
para tratar este trastorno.
Again,
Y
severe cases
nuevamente,
require more
los casos
extreme
severos
treatment,
requieren
at
de
times
tratamientos
even oral
extremos, a veces
corticosteroids.
hasta corticosteroides orales.
Now, Denny Morgan lines are those extra folds below
las líneas de
the
Denny
eyes
Morgan
that we
son esos
see
pliegues
present from
adicionales
birth,
en los
and they're
ojos que
present
los
in up to
vemos
80% of atopics,
al
but
nacimiento y en
again,
el
non-allergic
60-80%
patients
de
may
los
also
atópicos, pero
have
no
this
todos los pacientes
characteristic finding.
tienen este hallazgo característico.
What diagnostic procedures are we
¿Qué
going to
procedimientos
do?
diagnósticos podemos hacer?
Well, taking a nasopharyngeal culture is really not very helpful, even if you're trying to differentiate an allergic versus an infectious process. And if you were to look at healthy children and try to culture their pharynx, 92% would have pathogenic bacteria. So again, how do you know if it's just an innocent carrier versus relating to an infection? We oftentimes talk about studying eosinophils and doing a nasal smear, differentiating that from polymorphonuclear cells, which we expect to see a higher percent in an infectious process, particularly bacterial. But what do we summarize in the practice parameter about nasal smears? Well, the absence of eosinophils and certainly the presence of large numbers of neutrophils, if you're lucky enough to see intracellular bacteria, that does suggest an infectious process. And viral infections, as I mentioned, should have fewer neutrophils than with bacteria. However, again, if we were to look at a study of children and infants, 97% of infants will have neutrophils in their secretions. So it hardly makes for a very accurate differentiating test. Concluding that nasal smears are not recommended for routine use in the diagnosis of allergic rhinitis, they have about a 71% correlation with Prick skin test, 69% correlation with nasal challenge test, overall low specificity and sensitivity, and if you are going to do the process, you need to sample both nostrils. And we know we have some of those probes or special instruments for collection, but I'm happy to tell you that you don't need to use those. Just having the patient blow into wax paper is sufficient. What about testing for allergies? Certainly we know we can use prick test or we can use immunoassays. And probably the question that often comes up is, well, how many do I do? And how do I select those? And I'm here to tell you that there's no easy answer to that. We debated that for weeks in the Joint Task Force. This was the best we could come up with. The number is going to be based on the age of the patient, fewer for children than adults in general, their living environment, where they live. A tropical area may very well need more skin testing than a seasonal area, and depends upon their activities. Positive skin test
Las pruebas
which are
cutáneas
currently not
positivas que
causing
actualmente no
symptoms, are
ocasionan
predictive of
síntomas
what's down the
predicen
road,
lo
what's going
que
to
bien
happen
está
later
por
on.
venir.
So there may be value
Entonces,
when the patient
puede haber
has a
algún
positive
valor
result
cuando el
and says
paciente
that
tiene un
that
resultado
doesn't fit with
positivo
my
y dice que
history.
eso no
It may be
concuerda con su
coming.
antecedente. Puede ser que
Now, for
sí.
primary ciliary
Ahora, para
dysfunction,
la
the
disfunción
Saccharin
ciliar
test may be
primaria,
useful
la
for screening, but it
prueba
is not
de
definitive. You would need
sacarina
a biopsy
puede ser
and
buena, pero no es
electron
definitiva. Puede
microscopy before you
necesitarse una
could
microscopía
effectively make
electrónica
that
o biopsia
diagnosis.
antes de hacer definitivamente el diagnóstico.
Special tests that you may want to consider in children diagnostically is quantitative immunoglobulins,
Son las
complement,
inmunoglobulinas
sweat tests,
cuantitativas,
and/or
complemento, prueba de
genetic
sudor
typing
y
for
o
cystic fibrosis.
tipo genético para
While we are not
fibrosis
recommending
quística,
the sinus X-ray very
aunque no
often, perhaps in
recomendamos la
children, when you're
radiografía de
looking
los
for
senos
an acute
paranasales, tal vez
maxillary
en niños cuando hablamos de
sinusitis, it
sinusitis
would be of
aguda
value,
sería de
although
gran
in
valor,
general, the
aunque
CT
en
scan is much
general
more
la
accurate.
tomografía es mucho
Now,
más
as we look at
precisa.
obstructive sleep apnea
Si
in
vemos
children with
apnea del sueño
rhinitis,
obstructiva
if they
en
have
niños con
habitual
rinitis,
snoring,
si tienen
then
el
there's a higher incidence
ronquido
of infants
habitual,
as well
hay
as
una
children
mayor
having
incidencia
atopy
de
and
que
allergic
tengan atopia
rhinitis.
y rinitis alérgica.
Increasing risk for sleep-disordered breathing or sleep
También para
apnea is
apnea del
particularly
sueño
found
se
in children
encuentra
who have a
principalmente en
combination
niños que
of
tienen
three
una
different
combinación de tres
characteristics. One, they have upper respiratory
Una
disease.
enfermedad respiratoria,
Two, they have a family history of
dos,
sleep
un antecedente
apnea.
familiar de
And
apnea
three,
del
they happen to
sueño
be
y
African
tres
American.
son afroamericanos.
And so we make the statement
Entonces
that
decimos
if
que
your children have a
si el
high
niño
proportion of
tiene
these risk
una
factors,
proporción alta de
consider
estos
a sleep
factores de
apnea
riesgo, que
study.
consideren un estudio de apnea
Now, another
del
diagnostic
sueño.
study that we
Otro
don't
estudio
often
diagnóstico
associate
que
with
no
allergic
asociamos con
rhinitis is
frecuencia con
pulmonary
rinitis
function
alérgica
test.
es la prueba
But we took a
de
very
función
strong
pulmonar,
position in the
pero
practice
nuestra
parameter to
posición
say that
es
you really should
importante y
start
decimos que hay
considering
que
this,
considerar,
even in
empezar a
patients who
considerar
don't
esto,
present
aún
with
en
frank
pacientes que
asthma.
no presentan
Certainly we
asma
know there's a close
franca.
linkage of these two
Por supuesto,
diseases.
sabemos
Not
que hay un
everyone
vínculo
will
entre estas dos
recognize that
enfermedades.
the
No todo el mundo
cough or the
reconoce
mild
que la
shortness of
tos
breath
o
is
esta
actually
leve falta
asthma.
de
It
aliento
varies from
es
time of
asma.
day to time of
Varía
year.
desde
It may be
el
atypical.
momento
They
del
may
día
not
hasta la
ever
época del
wheeze.
año.
They may just
Puede que
complain
no
of cough.
siempre
And
sibilen
certainly
y
in the
nada más se quejen
office,
de
if we have
tos.
a
Y
normal
ciertamente en el
physical
consultorio,
exam,
si
that
hacemos un
can never
examen físico
exclude
normal, esto
asthma
nunca
as
puede
being
excluir
part of the
al
disease
asma como
process.
parte del proceso patológico.
The ARIA also suggests that we
ARIA
should
también
consider
sugiere
pulmonary
que debemos
function.
considerar
And so I
la
think that
función
if you
pulmonar.
feel it's
Entonces yo creo
necessary,
que si
this
ustedes
indeed is a
creen que es
procedure you may
necesario,
want to
este es un
take in many
procedimiento
of your
que deben
patients
llevar a
presenting
cabo en
with
muchos de sus
allergic
pacientes que
rhinitis.
presentan rinitis alérgica.
How do we treat our
¿Cómo
patients?
tratamos a nuestros pacientes?
And again, this comes from the
Nuevamente esto
tables
viene de las
from the
tablas
rhinitis practice parameter.
del
The
parámetro de
H1
práctica de
antihistamines
rinitis.
are
Los
approved both for
antihistamínicos
seasonal and
H1 están
perennial
aprobados
and
tanto para
useful
la
for
estacional como
episodic
la
at
perenne.
times.
Es
Although they can be
útil para
used
la
intermittently,
episódica,
they
aunque
are
se
more
pueden
effective
utilizar de
if
manera
used on a
intermitente, son
continual
más eficaces
basis.
si se utilizan de
They're
manera
fairly
continua.
rapid in onset, with
Su
those
inicio
having the
de
quickest
acción es
onset being
rápido,
about 1
más
hour
o menos
after
una hora
taking.
después de haberlos tomado,
But they're less effective for nasal
pero son
congestion than
menos
we would
eficaces
like
para
most of the
congestión nasal
time.
de lo que nos gustaría.
And for severe allergic
Para
rhinitis, there are better
rinitis
choice
alérgica
agents
severa
that we
hay
should be
agentes,
considering.
hay mejores agentes que debemos considerar.
And if you were to compare
Y si
antihistamines
tuvieran que
with
comparar los
intranasal
antihistamínicos
corticosteroids,
con los
the intranasal
corticosteroides
corticosteroids
intranasales,
would
los
win.
corticosteroides intranasales ganarían.
Now, the newest
Ahora,
drug that we have
el
available
fármaco más
is the
nuevo que tenemos
intranasal antihistamines, again
son los
effective for both seasonal and
antihistamínicos
perennial.
intranasales tanto para
And
la
this is
perenne como la
extremely useful
estacional.
for that new
Esto es
category of
sumamente útil para
episodic
esta
when you
nueva
don't
categoría de
expect it.
episódica, cuando
And
no
that's
se
because the
espera.
onset of
Y eso es
action is
porque el
between
inicio de
15
acción
and
es
30
entre
minutes
15 y
after
30
taking.
minutos después de tomarlo.
Equal or superior to the oral
Igual
second
o superior
generation
a los
antihistamines.
antihistamínicos orales de segunda
significant
generación
effect on nasal
tienen un
congestion,
efecto significativo en la congestión
but again,
nasal,
less effective than
pero son
intranasal
menos efectivos que
corticosteroids.
los corticosteroides intranasales.
Now, if you happen to have
Ahora,
mixed rhinitis, we have
si
studies
hay
showing that these new
rinitis
drugs are
mixta, hay
also
fármacos
effective for that disease
que muestran
process.
que son
Vasomotor
efectivos para este
rhinitis, more
proceso.
common in our
La
adult
rinitis
population.
vasomotora más común en nuestra
And the side
población
effects
adulta.
are fairly
Y los
benign,
efectos
some
secundarios son benignos.
sedation,
Hay
and some bitter
un poco de
taste, at least from
sedación
some of the
y el sabor
products.
es amargo, al menos de algunos productos.
If